Do you ever feel trapped by financial worries, dreaming of a life free from debt and stress? Many of us face these struggles, working tirelessly yet feeling stuck in a cycle of financial pressure. But what if I told you financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's an achievable reality for everyone? Today, we'll share inspiring stories of ordinary people who transformed their lives and finances. From being broke to achieving true financial independence, their journeys will ignite your hope. Meet Sarah, once buried under a mountain of credit card debt, feeling overwhelmed and hopeless. The weight of her debt felt crushing, stealing her peace and future dreams day after day. But one day, she decided enough was enough. A powerful turning point arrived for her. She started with a strict budget, meticulously tracking every penny spent to regain control. Cutting unnecessary expenses and embracing a minimalist lifestyle became her new mantra. She even took on a side hustle, working extra hours to accelerate her debt repayment journey. Next, we have David, who felt stuck with limited savings, unsure how to grow his wealth. He knew he needed a change, a way to make his money work harder for him, for his future. David immersed himself in learning about investments, starting with small, consistent contributions. Patience and consistency were his allies as he watched his portfolio slowly but surely grow. He understood that even small steps, taken regularly, lead to significant progress over time. Finally, meet Maria, who yearned for more than her traditional 9-to-5 job could offer. She dreamt of building something of her own, fueled by passion and a desire for impact. Starting her small business was challenging, filled with doubts and numerous obstacles. But her unwavering perseverance and belief in her vision kept her moving forward. Through hard work and dedication, her business began to flourish, bringing her true fulfillment. Sarah, the debt conqueror, now enjoys simple pleasures, free from financial anxiety and stress. David, the smart investor, reviews his healthy portfolio, planning for a secure and prosperous future. Maria, the entrepreneur, celebrates a business milestone, enjoying work-life balance and success. These individuals now experience true peace of mind, with new opportunities opening up for them. Their stories highlight common themes: discipline, continuous education, and unwavering perseverance. Financial freedom is not a privilege, it's an achievable goal for anyone willing to work for it. Start your journey today. Take that first step towards a brighter, more secure financial future. Learn more about financial planning and unlock your potential for lasting prosperity. Your financial transformation begins now.